Yes, good evening, Udbhav, Ashish, Yogesh.
Good evening, sir.
Can you hear me?
Good evening. Yes, sir.
Yes. So, why your marks got reduced this time?
Sir, I was preparing for a school test and then
Okay, what about others? See, you have any other topic? Like, did you have any topic common for your school test and this test?
no, sir, it was other subject, social English.
Sorry,
I was writing other tests, subjects, sir, not preparing this.
other test means?
Other subjects, sir. Social and science.
Okay. What about Ashish?
Sir, this time I couldn't write. I wrote trigonometry good, sir, but polynomials only. I
Okay,
was not able to write properly.
why? May I know?
Sir, I have some doubts, sir, in polynomial.
Right. We'll clear it now. Okay, any other? What about other reason?
Sir, no other reason, sir. Only polynomials was my bad side this time.
Acha, very good. No problem. We'll clear it out. We'll sort that. We'll sort it out. What about Yogesh? Yogesh, 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 are you here?
Sir, can you hear now?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Real numbers was easy, sir, but trigonometry was a little bit tough for me.
Okay. So polynomials was not there, Ashish. Real number was there. Okay. Right. So okay, real number was easy for you, but trigonometry felt
Sir,
wrong.
actually, the exact marks I got is 20, and actually, out of 20, I got 15, sir.
Okay. 15 correct means 60 you what?
Yes, sir.
55 your score.
Due to negative marking, I got less,
55.
sir.
55 it should have been.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So कोई ना चलो what about people join now 1 second. Akhil and Ashish, sorry, Akhil and Ahil, why are you late? Akhil, Ashish, you must talk. I'm asking why you guys are late. Akhil,
Yes, sir.
why are you late? See, don't make me to repeat the question again and again. I'm asking why are you late? Simple answer, simple question. Arey, Akhil, are you here? Ahil? 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 Yes, Ahil, you was absent for the test. Why? Why did you absent for the test, Ahil? You was out. If this, the reason, the excuses whichever you are giving, I was out. अरे भाई आउट, सभी लोग आउट होते हैं तो इन कौन होता है? एवरीवन इज आउट, देन हु इज इन? Every time I don't expect this kind of, monthly you are just attempting only 2 tests. So monthly you are conducting 4 weekend tests, out of which you are just writing only 2 tests. You are attempting only 2 tests. So that should not happen with you actually. Clear? You understand? So out of 4 tests, you must attempt all tests. You out of 4 tests, 4 out of 4 you must attempt. You are attempting only 2 tests and rest of the 2 tests you are not attempting. That shouldn't happen. Tell me, Akhil, why did you get less marks? What was the reason?
Sir, I was writing in between. It got some 1 6 or some.
Sorry.
Sir, I was doing, but by mistake it got some. Sir.
Okay. So, any other reason? Any other reason? Akhil, what was the reason? Any other reason why you didn't attempt well? Why the
Some of
test?
the question I was not knowing.
Sorry, test. I didn't get you, man.
Sir, some of the question I was getting answers.
Okay. Talk to me clearly. I can't hear your voice properly.
Sir, some of the question I was getting confused.
भाई आप कहाँ रहते हो भाई? आपका वॉइस बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है. प्लीज टॉक टू मी क्लियरली. अखिल भाई, मैंने पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir,
Sir,
some of the
Yes.
question I was not getting. I got confused.
You got confused. Okay, ठीक है. Apart from that,
No, sir, nothing, sir.
okay. Which chapter was it from?
Sir, trigonometry I was getting.
Trigonometry. Okay, fine. Okay, let's have a discussion on the trigonometry and uh, real numbers. We'll discuss the question paper. Look at this. Any doubts in the first question? Any doubts in the first question? Answer is 9. Sec 9. If you take 9 common, secant square a minus tan square a gives you 1. So answer is what? 9. 9 into 1, 9. Option B is correct. Any doubts here? Make it fast. Hello. Make it fast. Any doubts here? Tell me.
No, sir.
Chalo. Next. Here. Any doubts here? इधर कोई डाउट है क्या आपके पास? इधर कोई डाउट? हेलो guys, any doubts here?
नहीं sir.
This question also no doubt. So इसको simplify करना बस. आपको जो भी मिलता है आंसर 2 मिलेगा आंसर. Simply look at this here. Cot theta के जगह में you must write, in place of cot theta you must write cos theta by sin theta, and or else cot theta can be written as what? 1 by tan theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Or which third question, secant a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Which of the following is correct? बताइए. Any doubts here? Very simple. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Very good. So option cos A is correct. Option D. Fourth question. Any doubts? Already we discussed this question. Same question repeated here. Option D is correct.
Sir, once can you go to the 10th or 11th question, sir?
Definitely, we'll go one by one. We'll not skip anything. We'll go one
Okay.
by one. Okay, any doubts from the fourth? Yes, Yogesh. We'll discuss that, Yogesh. Okay. Fifth one, any doubts? Fifth one, any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubts in the fifth question?
No, sir.
Sixth one, if two positive integers a and b expressible in the form of a is equal to pq square and b is equal to p cube q, then p comma q being prime numbers, then LCM of a comma b is what? LCM भाई बताओ, LCM बताना चाहिए. LCM क्या होता है? आप वेरी वेरी सिंपल ऑप्शन है, p क्यूब एंड q स्क्वायर, हाईएस्ट पावर जो भी है वो होता है. देखो, p क्यूब एंड q स्क्वायर, p में क्यूब है हाईएस्ट वाला, q में q स्क्वायर है हाईएस्ट वाला. सो दैट इज व्हाट योर LCM इज गोइंग टू बी. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, HCF ऑफ 26, थोड़ा मैक्सिमाइज करो इसको. हाँ, HCF ऑफ 26 कामा 60 169 इज इक्वल टू 13. LCM ऑफ क्या होता है? LCM इससे बड़ी बात, इससे बड़ी इजी वाला क्वेश्चन कौन सा भी होता है क्या? बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन. हाउ इजी इट इज. LCM फाइंड आउट करो. 8th one, any doubts in the 8th one? Guys, any doubts in the 8th one?
Sir, this question I got wrong, sir.
Just a minute, 1 second, please be in line.
Okay.
Yes. Tell me, how many have you solved this question, guys? How
Sir,
many?
I got wrong.
हाँ. What about others? If
Sir, I
A,
got wrong, sir.
अरे भाई देखो, इधर क्या है? What should be the n value? देखो, you can go by verification method. You can go by verification method. A is equal to what given? A is equal 2 cube into 3. Okay, and b is equal to, guys, 2 cube into 3, how much? 24. B is equal to given how much? 2 into 3 into 5, which means 40. C is equal to what number if you substitute? So your LCM of ABC will be 2 cube is 8, 8 3 is 90, it is 72, 72 into 5, 360. So how much? What should be your n value so that your LCM will be 360? Very simple. Tell me. थोड़ा इधर कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे तो आ जाएगा ना आंसर. Guys, how many have to solve this?
So the answer is 2, right?
देखो बेटा, मैंने आपको इधर से 1 मिनट थोड़ा ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा, I'm just telling you how to solve this. देखो ये क्वेश्चन इधर I'm pasting. Look at this. The question. What is the question here? एक मिनट guys. See, A is equal to this one given, B is equal to given that. So look at this here. You can just basically you can say how can you solve in a shortcut way. This is A, this is B, this is C given. What is the prime factor which is a common to ABC here? What is the prime factor which is a common to ABC? आपको मैंने जो भी बोल रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है? People of 1 second. See, what I'm trying to say here is, look at this here. A is equal to 2 cube into 3 given. B is equal to given. See, we know while taking LCM, right? While taking LCM, what we do? We'll take greater exponent of prime numbers. What we do? Greater exponent of prime numbers in while doing factorization, while taking LCM, isn't it? By apply, if you just greater exponent we'll take greater exponent by applying that rule, which is like greater exponent here. Tell me which is a greater exponent. Greater exponent of prime number.
So 5.
Exponent of prime. Look at this here. देखो मैं जो बता रहा हूँ आपको. While taking LCM, we take greater exponent of the prime numbers in the factorization of that number. While doing factorization, which is the greatest number here? While factorization, look at this. What I'm trying to say here is, when you are factorizing, beta, when you factorize, right? When you are factorizing, you take greatest exponent of the prime numbers. Greatest exponent of the prime numbers in the factorization. In the factorization of that particular number. So here n is what? N should be of course greater than or equal to 1. N should be of course greater than or equal to 1 here. Yes or no? If you take one, like it will be getting that only, but what n will be greater than or equal to 1 here. All right. So now, what is the LCM given? What is LCM given? This is LCM given. Let us consider this is equation number 1. If I consider, look at this here. So LCM should be LCM of, I'm telling you a shortcut better. LCM of ABC. LCM of ABC should be 2 power 1 into 3 power of I do not know n into 5. by power of 1 ठीक है. So look at this now, compare this equation number 2, compare equation 1 and 2. What do you get in place of n? What I have here, n is equal to, this is the one method here, this is the one method, and if you don't understand this one, normally you can go this. A value is what? If you simplify A, what do you get? 24. B value is what? 40. C value is what? 3 power of n into 5. What should be n value so that your LCM? So what LCM of AB is what? So 8 8 into 9, 72, 78 into 5, 78 into 5, 360. What should be n value so that the LCM will be 360? This is the one way. Okay, so look at this here. A is 24, B is 40, 3 is this one, LCM is this one. What should be the n value so that LCM will be 360? Is that clear, guys? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to each and everyone? So देखो, this is a clear cut way to solve. This is a method 1 we are solving here.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking.
Now
Yeah.
it's fine, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, but in between, sir, again, your voice is breaking.
Okay. आपको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मतलब फिर से बताऊंगा. देखो, मेथड 1 I'll teach you again. If you don't understand this way, I'll teach you in a simple way. A value is given this one, B value is given this one, C value is given that one, and देखो इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा, बताओ इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा. He has given two conditions here. He has given LCM of ABC, something he has given, and this AB, look at this here, ABC I have, right here, ABC I have. What is the LCM of these three numbers? LCM of बताओ बेटा, ABC क्या होगा? Highest, I'll be taking highest power of the number, right? Greatest exponent of the number, right? 2 power 2 में कौन सा बड़ा है? 2 क्यूब. 3 में कौन सा बड़ा है? 3 power of 3 power of 3. 5 में कौन सा बड़ा है? This one. So this is equation number 1 here. Equation number 2. From 1 I 2. What is LCM? देखो n is equal to what? बताओ मुझे. 2 ही तो है ना LCM. Sorry, n is equal to 2, right? ये 3 सर इकड़ा.
Yes, sir.
Equal 5 is equal here. 3 power of 2, 3 power of n. Compare n is equal to only, right? Here, how simple it is. మీకు ఇలా అర్థం కాకపోతే, if you are not able to understand this way, if you guys are not able to understand this way,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
can you hear me now?
No, sir, it's still breaking.
Yes, sir, it's lagging and breaking.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, 1 second. Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Next question. Ninth one. Do you have any doubts in the ninth one? If 3 is the least prime factor of a number, listen to me. If 3 is the least prime factor, 3 is the least prime factor
We are still
of a
hanging.
number A and 7 is the least prime factor of number B, then the least prime factor of A plus B is equal to what? See, 3 is the least prime factor of a number A. 7 is the least prime factor of number B. Then least prime factor of A plus B is what? How many have we done with this? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many have you done with this?
I have done it.
Sir, I got it.
Yes, no doubt. So we'll move forward now. Any doubts in the 10th one? Any doubts in the 10th one? Okay, guys, look at this. How many have like how did you solve this question? Tell me.
Which
Sir,
one, sir?
6, sir, 8 or 9?
8th one. Eighth one. How many have you solved? Sorry, not 8th one. 9th one. 9th one.
Sir, is it 8th one or 9th one?
Ninth one. 9th one.
Yes, sir. For 9th one, it says that 3 and 7 are the prime factors, right? And it's asking A plus B. So I did A plus B, 3 plus 7 is 10. And the least prime number, the least prime factor for 10 is 2. So that's how I got the answer.
Yes. So 3 is the least prime factor. of-
2 is, yes, sir.
So A plus B. So okay. So okay. So 10 you got. So 10 is for 10 least prime factor is 2. So 2 is the right answer. What about 10th one? The smallest rational number. The smallest rational number by which 1 by 3 should be multiplied. So the decimal expansion terminates after one place of decimal is.
Sir, it's 3 by 10, sir. I checked with everything and then I did it.
How?
So after 3 by 10 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 10 and it'll just stop at 0.1. But the rest all, it will not stop at one decimal place exactly. That's how I got the answer.
The smallest rational number by which 1 by 3 should be multiplied so that its decimal expansion terminates. So that this decimal expansion terminates after one place. So if you just multiply to 3 by 10, you will get 3 by 30. 3 by 30 is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 by 10. If you just keep dividing it, what do you get?
1 by 10 is 0.1.
Yeah.
It terminates after one place. So
Yes, sir.
1 by 10 is 3 by 10 is the right answer. Ninth one. If n is a
Sir.
natural, yes.
Yes, sir, even I got this.
Very
N
good,
is a
beta.
natural number, so I took it 1. So 9 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power 2.
So 81
I did it
minus
that way.
16. 81 minus 16
Yes,
is always divisible by
65.
Look at this, beta.
And 65 is divisible by both 5 and 13.
13 and
So it's C.
Exactly. 65 is divisible by both 5. Very good. Simple. Look at n is a natural number. If you substitute 1 by 1. हाँ वो भी सही है. Next, 12th one. HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65 m minus 117. Then the value of m is what? HCF of
Sir, for this one, I found the HCF of 65 and
very
117
good. Very good.
respectively.
So
And
13
then
table
after
is
that, I equated it with the formula.
Acha. So HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Right?
Yes, sir.
13. So
Sir, M will
13.
be 2.
13 means, okay, 13 can be written as what? Acha. So what exactly? So 130 minus 17. Yes,
Sir,
13. So you
65
have
into 2 is 130.
common sense. बहुत simple question.
Sir,
ML is 2.
65
Sir,
into 2
we
is
can
130
just
and
use that
130 minus
13.
117 is 13. So it's 2.
Yeah. Is equal to 13. You just do that. It will be coming to you.
So we can equate it. 65m minus 117 is equal
Exactly.
to 13. Transpose the 117, divide it, and we get 2.
Exactly. Right answer.
Sir, how do we know that it's equals to 0?
No, actually, he is expressible. He only given that. Look at this. मैंने आपको बताऊंगा. He only told that expressible.
Okay, I understood. So the HCF, they calculated and they equated the HCF.
Expressible is nothing but he is like.
Understood, sir.
Look at this here. इसका दोनों का HCF is 13, right? Expressible is nothing but equal to 65m minus 117. So 65m minus 130. Oh, simple it is. Option B is correct. Clear? Next. By you might have learned using Euclid's division algorithm. So B is equal to AQ plus R lies between 0 to A, and yes, you apply that method, you will get it. Okay. So next, if two positive integers A and B are written, and A is equal to x cube y square and B is equal to x y cube, where x and y are the prime factors, then HCF of A and B is what? How many have you done that? Highest common factor. Whenever you are talking about highest common factor, how we must solve that? What is the highest common factor of x cube y square and xy cube? Of course, A will to come. Highest common factor x y square. B is a बहुत simple सा question है. Very simple. Common sense लगाएंगे. Highest common factor of A and B. How many have you done that? थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाएंगे तो आ जाएगा ये क्वेश्चन. Make it fast. Make it, guys. 13th question. Do you have any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
Next. 14th one.
No, sir, not for 14th either.
Sir, it's 2520. 14 will no doubt.
The least number that is divisible by all the numbers. 1 to 10. Both inclusive. 1 and 10 both are including here. Girls, no one is responding, girls. Amrita got this time got down. Ahil didn't write. Anudeep got down. Everyone got down this time. Don't know why. Did you feel any
Sir?
difficulties in exam? I mean,
The last time I got one question wrong. This time I got 2 questions wrong. That's why I went down a bit.
okay. Okay, no.
because it was trigonometry, right? So one question was very hard. I didn't. That's why.
No problem. We'll look into that. Everyone, Diksha, why Diksha absent? Amrita ji, Amrita,
Yes, sir.
why did you get down, beta? Why? What was the reason?
So one question I got wrong.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. What was that?
Sir, I don't remember the question. I'll just check and say.
ओके सर इतना कंजूस क्यों हो सर ये क्वेश्चन तो गलती होगा तो छोड़ो ना एक ही क्वेश्चन हो ना दैट्स व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग हाँ अमृता जी अनुदीप जी अरे यार एक ही तो क्वेश्चन गलती हुआ है तो उसको पकड़ के क्यों पूछ रहे हो इतना सो दैट इज द ओनली क्वेश्चन व्हिच मेक्स यू is a bit nervous sometimes so don't get nervous it happens no problem again you must bounce back okay Amrita Anudeep those who got only one question wrong
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
good chalo I think
Yes.
Shadab also got wrong with one question Shadab
Yes, sir. I got the question wrong where the answer was 3 by 10. I accidentally changed the order and I messed up in that. I chose the second
Sir,
option.
after the
Oh.
class, when I checked, after the thing, when I checked that one trigonometry question, I found out that it was 11th class question, sir.
Mm-hmm. No problem, no problem. We'll discuss it. Tanvi, what about you, beta? Tanvi. Tanvi, do you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't have any.
So you gone through your mistakes. You have gone through.
Yes, sir.
Okay. उद्भव उद्भव आजकल तो कुछ बात ही नहीं कर रहा है
Yes, sir.
तुषार तो आजकल कहाँ है उसको ही पता नहीं है तुषार कहाँ हो बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है
Sir, your
आजकल
voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
तुषार nowadays is not talking उद्भव is not talking nowadays so आप कहाँ हो सर तो घर में ही है हम
Sir,
लोग
exams are school में.
घर में ही है हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे तुषार
Sir,
are you
sir,
here
your
तुषार
voice is a bit breaking.
just a minute 1 second एक minute just a minute give me time guys can you hear me now
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
it's
sir.
clear.
yes it is perfect I think so now yes I'm just asking you Tushar and Udbhav nowadays these guys are not talking in class nowadays these people are not asking any doubts I don't see Steve also not talking in class Yogesh also not talking in the class Himanshu is कभी भी बात ही नहीं करता हिमांशु क्यों मेरे पे गुस्सा आया क्या हिमांशु बताइए भाई tell me one by one
Sir, I do talk in class. I do
Sorry?
talk in class.
sorry
I do talk in class for doubts
you
and
do talk yes I know
Yeah.
but I didn't find nowadays you are talking yes Tushar that's what I'm telling you Benjamin I know Benjamin you talk in the class Tushar what about you you are saying my voice was breaking but yes
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't talk in class. The problem was I didn't had any doubt, but when I gone through my mistakes in the test, I have seen that I have gone through the mistakes only in trigonometry, 3 of them.
fine we'll sort it out not an issue Ahil
Also, my result, also my result in the last class, in the last test and this test, both were same.
exactly I
improvement and
understood
all.
87.5 or 81.5
81.25, sir.
81.25 right yes I just know that not an issue but improve it okay
Yes, sir.
cool Ahil what about you Ahil आहिल, आहिल यू मस्ट टॉक इन क्लास। आहिल, मुझे बताइए प्रॉब्लम क्या है आहिल के पास? आहिल, कोई प्रॉब्लम आहिल?
Sir, he said yes, sir, and chat.
चार्ट में बात तो नहीं, बात नहीं करना चाहते हो? मेरे से नहीं बात करना चाहते हो आहिल जी? नो, ठीक है भाई, मत बात करो। क्यों नहीं बात करोगे? वाई डू यू वांट टू टॉक? ठीक है, तो हिमांशु, व्हाट अबाउट यू हिमांशु? हिमांशु,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what was the reason
Yes.
behind getting less marks?
Sir, I didn't attend, sir. Actually, this Sunday only, sir. Yesterday only I registered in Topper app, sir, by asking to Rahul, sir.
Okay, please, those who are bunking the test, please do inform us in prior. Okay.
Yes, sir. I informed that, sir, only because, sir, at that time I was late, sir. But, sir, from next time, sir, I will, sir. I have registered.
Fine. Everyone do a message to me. Okay. Even
Okay,
you must inform Rahul sir and me. Okay. So that we can have a count and we can know the reason. Okay. Okay. So next, look at the smallest, the 14th one, the least number that is divisible by. So ये तो हो गया. The least number which is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. सभी होता है ना. Least number which is divisible by everyone. How do you solve this? How did you solve in a short way? Amrita will explain this. Amrita, tell me. Amrita,
Yes, sir.
tell me, can you please explain this question? How did you solve this? What was your strategy behind solving this question?
Sir, I took LCM of all numbers from 1 to 10.
Okay. अच्छा, तो the least number,
Uh,
अच्छा least number तो 1, 2, 3, 4 सबका LCM लेके करिए. Okay.
yes, sir. Like, no, the HCF of all these numbers, and then I did.
Okay. What about you, Anudeep? Anudeep ji,
Yes, sir.
how did you solve this?
So the 14th one,
It's
yes, sir. I cancelled out first from 1 to 10. Means if you take the numbers 7, 8, there will be no 10 and 1000. So I cancelled them out. And then I cancelled 504 in the same way. And then I
देखो,
left
आप
with 252.
you should not, like, better आप ऐसा करने की जगह देखो, LCM only you must take, not HCF. अमृता जी, LCM only, you told LCM only, not HCF. देखो पहले हम लोग बेटर सॉल्यूशन देखो, कितना अच्छे से सॉल्यूशन है इधर. देखो पहले हम लोग क्या करना है,
Sir,
फैक्टर्स
first we'll
निकालना है.
take the factors.
Exactly, right? फैक्टर्स 1 2 का फैक्टर्स 1 2 3 का फैक्टर 1 3 4 का फैक्टर 1 2 2 ऐसा लिखते जाओगे हम लोग. LCM देखो 1 to 10, देखो LCM ऑफ सभी का देखो क्या क्या कॉमन क्या है. देखो 1 2 3 कितना 2 बार कितना 2 है, 1 3 5 7. If you just take LCM, you just do this, very simple. LCM कैसे करोगे LCM? Guys, how do you do LCM? अब सभी को पता है ना how do you do LCM? LCM निकालेंगे हम लोग, very simple. आया समझ? any doubts guys? आहिल आकिल कोई डाउट है बेटा इधर? तन्वी, योगेश, any doubts? हिमांशु?
No doubts, sir.
Sir,
Fine.
for number
No doubt.
16, where sine 2a is equal to sine 2 sine a,
One
I
second,
know the
one
answer is 0 degree.
One second. We'll go for the 15th
Okay,
one
sir.
first.
Yes.
In
sir.
right angled triangle ABC, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then the value of cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin A. By first, you must know by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, you must solve this question. How many have you done with this? How many have you done with this?
Sir, I did it.
Very good. By tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 क्या है? तो tan A निकालो, right angle triangle निकालो पहला. First solve the just draw a right angle triangle which is given A, B, C. Angle is at 90 degrees. Tan A. Tan A is what? Opposite by adjacent 1/√3. तो 1/√3 का मतलब क्या होता है? 1 इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस √2 होता है ना, हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल बेस स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर. तो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट हियर? नो 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 नो, we may here sin तो opposite by hypotenuse, opposite is what? here 1/√3. सही है ना? तो 1 is equal to 3 AC स्क्वायर. तो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू मुझे मिल रहा है -2. हाँ
Sir, but tan is opposite by adjacent side, right?
हाँ
So,
Sir, we don't need to do all of this, right?
हाँ, basically look at this here. What is
Tan
asking
30
for?
degrees is 1/√3.
हाँ, 1 second. He's asking for what here? He's asking for cos A and cos C, right? So we have only tan A here, so need not to do, like, we won't, if you do that, we won't be getting cos C and sin C. ठीक है, तो इसको क्या करेंगे? tan A is equal to 1/√3 is nothing but 1/√3. And then A value is what here? What is A answer? What is the A?
A is 30 degrees.
A is equal to 30 degrees. Look at this here. हम लोग ऐसा करेंगे. We'll be solving this. Tan A is equal to 1/√3. 1/√3 कब आएगा? Tan 30, right? तो मुझे A value is what here? You can क्या? Tan गया तो A value what? 30. तो A value is 30.
So from here, can take a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degrees. Angle A is 30 degrees. So angle C must be 60 degrees because
at
of
it
the
now.
sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180
Yes,
degrees.
yes. तो मुझे क्या मिला है? देखो इधर, इधर if I take A is what here? A B C. A is 30, तो B is 90, तो C कितना होगा? 60. Yes or no?
60.
हाँ, देखो इधर से मुझे
Yes,
मिल
sir,
जाएगा.
60
देखो हाँ, cos A is what? Cos A, cos 30 how much? √3/2. Cos C how much? C is 30. Cos C how much? Cos 30.
1/2.
Sir, cos C is cos 60, right?
हाँ, so cos 60 is 1/2 minus sin A, sin 30 1/2.
Sin 60.
1/2.
तो 0 आंसर. Option is correct.
Says √3/2, right?
0/4, which is equal to 7.
No, sorry. It's
√3/4 minus √3/4, 0 तो मिलेगा. Yes or no? 0, √3/4.
Sir, your voice is very low. Can't hear.
√3/4 minus √3/4, 0. हाँ.
Yes.
16th one, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A is true when A is equal to what? 0.
0 degrees, sir.
Yes, sir. I understood that. I know that. But the thing is, what's the difference between sine 2A and 2 sine A? Is it like if it's sine 2A, you multiply 2 with the degree of A?
No. It is not like that, beta.
Sir?
Sin 2A is nothing but आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है 2 sin A into cos A. You'll be learning in class 11. ठीक है?
So sin 2A is the angle A multiplied by 2. So if sin 30 is there, sin 2A will be sin 60.
2 देखो 2A
30
is
degree
nothing.
into 2.
2A is 2 theta here. 2 theta. ठीक है? 2 times of theta. You understand? So 2 sin A into cos.
Yes, sir.
ये होता है formula. This is my formula. You will be learning in 11th standard. Don't worry. So which 2 sin A, he has given here. He has not given the formula here. Look at this. He has not given the formula. He has given a statement. It is going to be true when A is equal to, substitute karo. You substitute 30, you won't be satisfying. You substitute 45, you won't be getting satisfied. You substitute 60 in place of A, you will not be able to satisfy. So if you substitute 0, then only the equation is going to be satisfied. Clear? So that is the reason A is 0 here. Clear? आया समझ? Any doubts, guys?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Very
No doubt,
simple. This one 2 tan 30. Tan 30 का आंसर कितना होता है? √3, 1/√3. Substitute करो, solve this, which is equal to √3 is going to be your answer. If you solve all that, root 3 is going to be answer, which is equal to tan 60. Aya samajh?
Tan 60.
Very good. Very simple, guys.
Yes,
Very
sir.
simple.
No problem.
Next, secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Isko, how do you solve this? Secant A 1 by cos A. Look at this. Very simple. Let
So
me tell you.
secant is 1 by cos, tan A is sin A by cos A
Sin by cos.
into 1 minus
So
sin A.
yes. So numerator will become 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So 1 square minus sin square divided by 1 plus
So 1 minus
by
sin
cos
square
A.
A is equals to
Cos
cos
A.
square A.
Very simple,
Cos
yaar.
A,
Very
cos
simple.
square A by cos A equals
Cos
to
square
cos
A by cos A is equal to cos A.
Cos
Cos
A.
square, yes, will be getting cancelled. So 19th one, 1 plus tan square A by 1 minus cot square A. How do you write this? How do you resolve this?
Sir,
Tan square A can be
tan square A is 1.
No, instead of doing that, we know one thing here. 1 plus tan square A is nothing but what here? Secant square A. Yes or no? Yes or no? Secant square A, bhai. Amla. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 plus cot square A is equal to what? Cosecant square A. So secant square A by cosecant square A. Tan square A.
1 by cos divided by
Let me
1
tell
by
you.
sin.
Sir, I didn't do it that
So
way.
sin by cos.
I converted it into
Yes,
sine by cos and cos by sine.
Bhai, look at
Yes,
this.
sir, sin
It
by cos
takes
so it will be
time.
tan.
Let us solve by two methods. Look at this here, method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Let us solve in two ways. Dekho, if you take sin square A by cos square A divided by 1 plus cos square A by sin square A. You have to take LCM here. Cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. So into sin square A by sin square A.
Sine square plus cos square.
हाँ तो ये गया तो मुझे मिला
We
tan
can
square.
cancel.
हाँ तो tan square ये. This is what you get. Method 2 देखो, method 2 how can you solve? 1 plus tan square A can be written as secant square A. 1 plus cot square A can be written as cosec square A as per the identities. So 1 by cos square A here by 1 by sin square A. Reciprocal tan square A. How simple it is? 2 steps method. 2 steps में answer खत्म. That is the reason you must know identities.
Yes, sir.
देखो इधर sin square A है ना, तो reciprocal sin square A by I'm writing and explaining you. That is the reason it is taking much time. But आपने solve कर रहा हो ना, तो immediately you can give the answer. देखो ये लिखने के बाद ही straight away you can give the answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? So
Yes,
option
sir.
D is correct. I say they don't approach this method for a MCQ test. For subjective test, you can go for this. But you know, if trigonometry is involved in your term 1 exam, like if you're getting if you're solving for any MCQs or any competitive exam, don't go this way. We know identities, right? What are the identities we know here? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. And cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So these are the identities I know. From these identities, I'm solving the question. Very simple. Next, 20th one, choose the correct option and justify your choice. Sin 2A is equal to array by same question, answer 0. Same question, answer 0. Then I don't know, the question paper was pretty easy, then where you made a mistake. I think starting questions were a bit difficult. This one?
Yes, sir.
9 to first question is very simple here. 9 is the answer. Secant minus tan square A. 9 you take common. Secant minus tan A gives you 1. So 9 into 1, 9. So second one, choose the correct option, justify your choice. Let us solve this question. He has given explanation here. Look at this here. If you don't understand, I'll solve it. I'll solve it. Not an issue.
Sir, here he only changes one, right? I changed both of them. So sine plus, cos plus sine plus 1 by cos. And then I multiply.
Because very simple. You don't have this one you're talking about, Anujit. You felt this one difficult? Anujit, you felt difficult in this question. Anujit, are you here?
Sir?
You felt difficult in this question. So
Sir, your
LCM
voice
No,
is
not
breaking.
this question, sir. Not this one.
Then anyone have doubts here?
Sir, I
Sir,
have
I have.
this question.
Okay, we'll solve this. So what I'm doing here is, look at this, I'm taking LCM here. So if I take LCM, so cos A minus 1 divided by sin A. Okay, clear? Yes or no? You understood here? Similarly, you do here as well. 1 plus sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A. So let us not write this here.
Cos plus sin.
One second. Let me write this here. हाँ देखो LCM cos A
Cos A plus
cos A
sin A
plus
plus 1 by cos A.
So sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A. So A plus B into A minus B.
From here I directly did it, sir.
Look at this. Please.
Okay.
Sin A. Oh, just a minute. Cos A. This as I'm considering one part. I'm considering this as one part. ठीक है? तो A square minus B square. Can I write, guys? Are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
Divided by cos A into sin A.
Sin cos.
Very simple. Now just expand that. A square plus B
Sin
square
square plus cos square plus 2 sin cos.
A cos A minus 1 divided by sin A into cos A. So this part becomes 1 here. This gives you 1, right? This will, can I cancel now? Yes or no? This is how you must solve in
Yes, sir.
competitive
Yes,
exam. Again, you did not go for the next step to cancellation. Here itself we cancel like this. So here this one gaya, तो answer क्या बचा? 2. Clear? How simple it is. Any doubts, beta? कोई doubt इधर? Option C is correct. Shall we make a move for the next one?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Which question was that? This one? Any doubts here? Secant A again 1 by cos A, sin A, tan A can be written as 1 by sin A. Very simple. This question, we have already solved this question. I don't want to solve this question. We have already solved this. This question repeated, guys. We have solved this question. How many have you done this question? I think you guys might have made this here. Anudip, this one? Anudip ji?
Yes, sir.
We have already.
So the question.
No, I taught already this question to you all. Yeah, this was a bit lengthier question, but already I taught this question. Please revise. Question paper discussion. Already we have solved this. If you don't get it, I'll explain in tomorrow's class again. Okay, no problem. You just try that. Very good question. Everyone should try this. Let me take this as. Let me take a snap of this. This question is homework to everyone. Take this question as a homework. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Children, any doubt here?
Sir?
Yes.
So the question which I told, yeah, this question, sir, question 5, just in front of you.
Question 4, question 5. This question 5, 5th question.
No, sir. Yeah, 5th question. That's the question I got wrong. And I
Square
thought
root
it was very
square
hard.
root of 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta.
Yes.
Guys, how many have you done this?
Sir, I did it.
How did you solve Shadow?
Sir, this one, 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I rationalized it. I multiplied by 1 plus cos by 1 plus.
Immediately you must you must get that idea. Whenever you have under a square root, whenever you must rationalize it immediately. Dekho, if you rationalize, what do you get? So 1 square minus cos square in the numerator divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square. Yes or no?
Sir, I tried that. That's the I made first. It gets the whole opposite thing, that we should multiply 1 plus cos.
Or else, dekho, if you just multiply, we won't have any, we won't have any way to move forward. Why? Because, dekho, if I multiply and divide with, 1 plus cos theta, so a square minus b square. This is what you're saying. So 1 plus.
Yes, sir. This is what we should do. The top one, it gives us a different answer.
Exactly. 1 plus cos theta. Here, the square root of 1 minus cos square theta, it gives you what? Sin square theta. So which means sin theta. Square root will get cancelled, sin theta.
Yes,
People,
sir.
are you able to understand, students? नहीं आ रहा है तो मैंने इधर लिख दूंगा ऐसा. आया समझ? तो 1 plus cos theta divided by sin
Now
theta.
separate it. 1 by sine plus cos by
Theta
sine.
plus cot theta.
Sir, how did we get cosecant theta?
One, split it. 1 by
Oh,
sine.
okay. Understood.
Cos by
Understood.
sine. Split it. The ideology is what? Look at it. This is the way. That is the reason I just gone for both the ways. Both the ways. Look at this here. If you just multiply, look at this here. Let me write here again. If you are going like this, if you are multiplying, dividing with plus, sorry, minus, you won't be able to get anything. If you multiply, look at this here, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Question: if I take 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, then I am getting something where I could write as per my identities. If I multiply and divide with 1 minus cos theta, I'm not able to find anything here. If I just write this way, then only I'm able to write. Sir, how you are able to know that? That is the reason I just wrote in two ways. First way I got failed, then I came for this way. I came for this way. Here I was getting satisfied. Look at this: 1 minus cos square theta in the denominator, a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Root to root will be getting cancelled. I remain with this one. If I split that, I'll get this answer. Aya samajh? I hope it is clear with everyone. So this question I gave homework for you all. So this is the homework for this today. And what is this week target? This week target. Everyone must get 100%. Solve every day 15 to 20 MCQs. Okay. Next session would be a doubt session. Keep ready your doubts and post it in WhatsApp. Okay. Everyone should get above. Everyone must get 100%. Everyone is capable of getting 100% here. Everyone. Are I so much? At least 90%. Look, those who are, look at this yellow region student. Yellow region students. Your target is 90% this week. Aya samajh? Hello, children, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Those who from yellow region,
Yes,
their
sir.
target is 90%. Those who are like other than yellow region, rest students, they must get 100%. That is your target. Will you able to challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we'll do it.
Challenge yourself. Goodbye. Thank you. You can leave the session now. Thank you,
Thank you,
children.
sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.